How to fix GeForce not detecting or finding games. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step is to make sure you have the latest version of GeForce application. To do so, go to Play Store and then search for GeForce. As you can see, this application is not available for my reason, but if you have the application already installed, make sure that the update button is not there. If there is an update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. After that, tap and hold the GeForce application and go to its app info. Then go to its storage section and tap on clear cache. Lastly, make sure you have a very stable internet connection. That should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.